Hello everyone. Today we will start poem Top. First we will understand what is Top. Top actual English meaning is cannon, but nowadays nobody is using cannon in war. They are using tank. So tank and cannon. If you type cannon, you will see what kind of tank we are talking about here. So this kind of top in earlier age people were using for war. तो shall we start this poem? कंपनी बाग के मुहाने पर धर रखी है यह 1857 की तोप। इसकी होती है बड़ी संभाल, विरासत में मिले कंपनी बाग की तरह साल में चमकाई जाती है दो बार। कंपनी बाग is a place, बाग is a garden. Company Bagh is built by East India Company, British, and Mohane is a starting point, is a main gate, entrance. धर रखी है मतलब kept there. This top is belong to 1857. This cannon is from 1857. They used this cannon in 1857. इसकी होती है बड़ी संभाल मीन्स टेकिंग केयर, दे टेकिंग केयर वेरी प्रॉपरली। विरासत मतलब इनहेरिटेज, ब्रिटिश इनहेरिटेज दिस तोप और दिस कंपनी बाग टू इंडियन गवर्नमेंट, एंड कंपनी बाग की तरह साल में चमका जाती है दो बार। ट्वाइस इन अ ईयर दे आर क्लीनिंग दिस तोप, and very nicely they are cleaning this top in two times in a year. So now I am telling you properly what is the meaning of first para. In Company Bagh, main entrance of the Company Bagh, there is a cannon kept there. This cannon belonged to 1957. They are taking care of this cannon very nicely. And this cannon given by the British East India Company to the Indian government, and in 2 times in the year they are cleaning this cannon very well, properly, and it looks very nice. The poet is trying to say about the cannon, and that cannon is placed in entrance of the Company Bagh. That Company Bagh garden is now in Punjab. So I think you understood this one. We will go for next. सुबह शाम कंपनी बाग में आते हैं बहुत सैलानी इज a tourist. सुबह शाम, morning till evening, to morning to evening, in Company Bagh, that garden, many tourists is coming to see that garden. उन्हें बताती है यह तोप. Here the poet is assuming कि what तोप is telling to them. तो कि मैं बड़ी जबर उड़ा दिए थे मैंने अच्छे अच्छे सुरमाओं के धज्जे अपने ज़माने में. तो जबर मीन्स पावरफुल. So that poet is assuming that top was, the cannon was telling about itself कि I was very powerful that time. When my time was there, I was very powerful, and in my time I just destroyed many, you can say many brave fighters. अच्छे शुरमाओ मतलब फाइटर्स, ब्रेव फाइटर्स. धज्जे उड़ा दिए मतलब धज्जे मतलब डिस्ट्रॉयड अपने ज़माने में, इन माई टाइम. तो इन माई टाइम आई जस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयड मेनी पावरफुल एंड ब्रेव पीपल विथ माई पावर. दैट कैनन वॉज टेलिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ. दैट पोएट वॉज थिंकिंग. दैट इज पोएट इमेजिनेशन. अब तो बहरहाल छोटे बच्चों की घुड़सवारी से अगर यह फारिग हो तो उसके ऊपर बैठकर चिड़िया की अक्सर करती है गपशप. तो अब तो बहरहाल मतलब अभी now the situation, now the poet is saying now what is the situation. छोटे लड़कों की घुड़सवारी अब अगर यह फारिग हो, मतलब when tourists coming with all the kids and all, so they are coming and sitting on the cannon and they are playing like a horse riding. कि they are riding horse, they are assuming that cannon is a horse or they are riding horse. The way they are playing with cannon, that poet is describing here. तो उसके ऊपर बैठ के they sitting on the cannon and then playing. When they that top, nobody is playing with the top, so what is happening? The birds were coming and sitting over there and chirping. And birds were chirping. कभी कभी शैतानी में अपने भीतर भी घुस जाती है. Sometimes in naughtiness they are going inside the top. They are going in, शैतानी means naughty. और भीतर भी घुस जाती. भीतर मतलब inside घुस जाती है, मतलब they enter inside. खासकर गौरैये. गौरैये means sparrow. तो sparrow is very small bird and they went inside. And they are going inside and they are, what they are doing? They are chirping inside. That's तो what the poet is saying, वे बताती हैं. Now here poet as again assuming कि what the birds were talking. वे बताती हैं दरअसल कितनी भी बड़ी हो तोप, एक दिन तो होना ही है तुम्हारा मुंह बंद. कितनी भी बड़ी हो तोप, एक दिन तो होना ही है तुम्हारा मुंह बंद. तो here that birds were saying, according to the poet was assuming what birds were saying is कि how much powerful you are, but one day, मतलब don't be proud of your power, one day it will going to end. तो birds were telling to the top कि you are too proud about your power. Now what is your situation? You have no power at all. You are just standing as like a showpiece. So you should never so proudly about yourself. One day, each and every power, whatever power people having, one day it's going to be over. One day is going to be finished. One day is going to be end. So we should not be arrogant or proudy. So this is the top lesson is very easy. It's over. If you have any problem, you have any issue with this lesson, you can ask me. I will explain you particular line or something. So you can ask me. Thank you so much.